If Chrome is showing a too many redirects error, don't worry. This usually means something on your browser or computer is causing the website to bounce in a loop instead of loading properly. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to browsing normally. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, let's clear Chrome cookies and cache. Open Google Chrome, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or use the equivalent shortcut on Mac if needed. A clear browsing data window will open. Here, make sure you select cookies and other site data and cached images and the files. Then change the time range to all time so you remove everything that could be causing the redirect loop. Once that's selected, click Delete Data. After the cleanup finishes, close Chrome completely and open it again. Then test the website one more time. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem because corrupted cookies or outdated cached files can keep forcing the browser to repeat old redirects. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is test the website in Incognito Mode. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and on Mac, press Command, Shift, and then. This opens a private browsing window where Chrome does not use most existing cookies, cache, or extensions in the same way. Now go to the website that was showing the error. If the site works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign that one of your extensions or saved browser data is the cause. If it still does not work, then the issue may be on the website side or related to your system settings. Now let's move on to Chrome extensions. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then go to Extensions and choose Manage Extensions. Here, disable all extensions temporarily. Once they're off, go back to the website and reload it. If the page loads correctly now, one of those extensions is interfering with the site and causing the redirect problem. The best way to find it is to turn the extensions back on one at a time, refreshing the website after each one. When the error returns, you've found a problematic extension. At that point, you can remove it, replace it, or keep it disabled for that site. If you're still seeing the error, check your date and time settings. This is a very common issue people overlook. Incorrect system time can cause secure HTTPS websites to fail validation and get stuck in redirect loops. On Windows, right-click the clock in the taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. If needed, also confirm the correct time zone is selected. After that, restart Chrome and try the website again. When your system time is wrong, your browser can have trouble connecting securely to websites, so this step can make a big difference. If Chrome still refuses to load the page, try another browser. Open the same website in Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Brave. If it works there, then the issue is likely specific to Chrome rather than the website itself. That means the problem is probably still related to Chrome cookies, extensions, or browser settings. If it fails in every browser, then the website itself may be misconfigured and you may need to wait for the site owner to fix it. So to recap, the best order to fix Chrome too many redirects is to clear cookies and cache, test in incognito mode, disable extensions, check your date and time, and then try another browser. Following those steps solves the issue in most cases without needing anything complicated. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.